So this is our little campsite. We're here at McDowell Mountain Regional Park. We're in the primitive site, number 12. There's the vehicle, and I'll show you the site. It's nice size. Here's the tent. It's a really big tent, and the site does accommodate it, so that's kind of nice. And we have a little bit more area. Here's the fire pit. There's a grill. There's 2 picnic tables here. First one, and here is the second one. Got the dogs' crates. The dogs are on their long leashes right now, and that's it. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up in the GoPro, but just overhead there are bathrooms and some water station. Sitting down to have our coffee by the fire after a very chaotic weather night. I'm just kind of taking in all the sounds. Having a good time? Are you? Just taking it all in. Elle, you having fun? You having fun, buddy? Oh, you sleepy.